Today's assignment is a review over the first couple sections of the circles. So, pretty smooth. Remember, you've got 360 degrees in a circle, so you can use that information to find that missing angle, angle Q. I think you can do those guys smoothly. I think you can do the survey smoothly. What's this guy? Let's talk about this, okay. We'll talk about number 7. Tell whether the given arcs are congruent and why or why not. Okay. So STV is this guy. So it looks like that's going to be a 30 and a 90. So this is 120. Okay. And UVT, are they congruent? I'm actually kind of surprised they wrote it like that because it should have just been SV. But whatever. UVT. How big is that guy going to be? Well, it's 90 plus this. Looks like that's a diameter. That means this is 180. We have a 30 and a 90. So we can go 30 plus 90 is 120. Subtract from 180 and we get 60 left over. So this UVT angle is 60 plus 90, which would be 150. Are those congruent? Not congruent. To be honest, if you show your work like this, you've explained why. You've explained why using numbers and a diagram. But if you wanted to explain further, you could just say arc ST is not equal to arc UV, because they both have this. They both share TV in their big arc, but their smaller arcs are different. But again, showing your work, that's plenty. That's great. Let's see, what do we have here? Each wheel is divided into congruent sections. Find the measure of each arc. Well, that's kind of fun. Pretty much all you do is identify how many sections you have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 8 sections. How many degrees in a circle? 360. Divide by number of sections, and you've got your answer. This one, what is that? Dartboard? Oh, that looks like some spinny wheel for a game show. What you do is just count up the number of sections you got, which is a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Whoosh, 25. So 360 over 25. There you go. You thank me for counting up those little sections on that wheel. On the back. Identify the arcs. Those are good ones. Tell whether the arcs are congruent. Those are good. Man, I'm going to be honest. All this stuff's pretty smooth. It's not too bad. There's your bike wheel. Measure of the arcs. Oh, I wonder. Let's do one of these guys. Let's do 9B. It says find the measure of each arc. I don't know what you're thinking. You might be like, Mr. Michael, I don't know if there's enough information on that one. There actually is. Here's why. You have a 90 here, yeah? We know that. AED, this line looks like a diameter, so we have 180 total, yeah? So watch what happens if we do this. We got 180. I can subtract 90, and I have 90 degrees left over for these two arcs. You'll notice they're congruent though. Because they're congruent, all I have to do is take my 90 and divide it by 2, and I get 45, which means each of these guys are 45 degrees. Write that in. And now it's pretty smooth. DAB is what the problem wants you to find. This section here is 180 because it is a semicircle. So we could just do 180 plus 45 and you get 225. Cool. There you go. You can put little degrees if you want to do a circle there. Alright, anything else? Number 10. I know you guys like those word problems. Well, just for fun, let's cross out number 6. There you go. I'll give you guys one free problem. Number 10, Water sprinkler covers the area. It moves through the covered rate at 5 degrees per second. Okay. Oh, it tells you you've got a 5-degree angle here, so this angle here is also 5 degrees. So how many total degrees is your sprinkler gonna move? Oh, I'm sorry, you couldn't see my picture. So you got a 5 degrees here because this guy's 5 degrees. So you're gonna figure out how many degrees total you move in that range. It'd be 170. Because just subtract 5 and 5 from 180. And then how long will it take? Well, if it covers 5 degrees per second, all you're gonna do is 170 divided by 5, and that will give you how long it takes for the sprinkler to go from one side to the other. So that's what we got for today. And yeah, just try to finish that worksheet and kind of solidify the circle stuff in your brain.